Guys, and welcome back to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we're going to make a quick dinner, and I'm going to try to make this dinner before I go to work this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting off some butter. I didn't tell you what we was cooking. We're going to make some Spanish rice, and we're going to take some smoked sausage, and we're going to saute those with some peppers and onions, and that's going to be our quick dinner. And I have about an hour to get this done before it's time for me to walk out the door. So I'm just going to put some butter in my saucepan. Let me go ahead and get that turned on. Should be a quick. All right. So I have about a tablespoon and a half of butter in my saucepan. To that, I'm going to add 1 can of tomato sauce. This is a small can. I've already got my cans already washed off and clean. So we're going to take this and add it. Grab that knife. We're going to add that to our saucepan. Okay, so now we have our half a cup of water in our tomato sauce in our pan. Chunky salsa. We're going to need a cup of chunky salsa. And we're going to let these items come to a boil. And then we're going to add our rinsed rice in there. We're going to let that cook. And I'm using parboiled rice. Okay, we're going to bring that to a boil. And we're going to go ahead and wash our rice. Our chunky salsa, our water, and tomato sauce has come to a boil. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of rice. And we're going to get that all stirred in there. And we're going to put this on low. And we're going to cook this until our rice is fluffy. And we're going to have some nice Spanish rice. So I might add just a pinch of salt to this. Just a pinch, because I like to wake those flavors up. Maybe a couple of pinches. And the pinches are not that big. Okay, I'm going to put a lid on this. And we're going to let this cook until our rice is done. In the meantime, I have an onion. And I have a red pepper that I have already washed. I'm going to go ahead and get these sliced up. And these could be, I like to slice mine into big chunks. And get that skin off of that onion. All right, so I'm just going to take that onion and slice it just into nice little big chunks there. You can separate them as so. Just like that. Then we're going to take our red pepper. We're going to take our red pepper and we're going to do it the same way. Just long little slithers there, kind of like mine. We're making a quick meal before work, and this is going to be our dinner. While our pan is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and check on my rice. It's coming along pretty good. I'm going to add just a tad bit more water. Because I like for my rice to be done. I'm going to go ahead and saute up our onions and our peppers. And I have some olive oil here that I'm adding to my pan. I'm just going to add that right to it. So while our peppers are cooking, I just washed my favorite smoked sausage, and I'm going to go ahead and get it sliced up. And this is a beef smoked sausage. I'm going to go ahead and get it sliced up. And we're going to have dinner ready before work. That's always an awesome thing to come back home after work and you don't have to cook dinner. Dinner is ready. Let's get that stirred up. Turn those down because I don't want my onions to burn. I just want them to be ever so translucent. They have a little bit of bite to them. Just trying to separate some of the chunks that I didn't get separated. Okay. It's the only thing about the electric skillets. I love an electric skillet, but you have to keep adjusting the temperature. Take a look at our onions and peppers. This is exactly the way I like for mine to come out. Just like that. We're going to get these taken up. We're going to set our peppers and onions to the side. We're going to take some more of that olive oil. And we're going to saute our sausage. While our sausage are cooking, we're going to go ahead and check on our rice. Ooh, it's looking good, looking good, looking good. As I have some sazon here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that sazon to my rice. Not the whole packet, just half the packet. Love that flavor. It's looking good. Now this is just me. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more water. Matter of fact, let me give it a taste because it's almost done. Let me give it a taste and see if my rice is at the consistency I like. That's good flavor, but I do need some more water in there. Now, if you like your rice like al dente, then you can stop it right here. But for me, I want it just a little bit more softer, just a little bit. Okay, now it's time to turn our sausage. If you can turn that one down. They're not burned, they just have color on them. Sausage are pretty much done. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a paper towel and I'm gonna take up some of that oil out of that pan. The oil has done its part for the sausage. Now we're going to remove this oil from the pan. Now I'm simply going to take my peppers and onion and add them right back to my sausage. Guys, and we have dinner for this evening. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful dish. Now we're just waiting on our Spanish rice and we'll have a meal that's fit for relaxing. Okay, we're waiting on our rice. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Looking good. Let's see. I think our rice is ready too. Let's go ahead and taste our rice. Take a look at it. You see all the chunky, all the vegetables from the chunky salsa took care of all the flavors for us. I added minimal flavors to this dish. I only added a pinch of salt and some sazon. That was it. That flavor is so good. That is good. Ooh, it's got a little kick to it. Take a look. Beautiful. We can go ahead and turn this off. Our rice is ready. Now let's go ahead and make us a plate. We're talking Spanish rice, smoked sausage with peppers and onion. Take a look. Spanish rice, smoked sausage with peppers and onions. Beautiful. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you next time right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.